So let's move on with this today. Okay, fine. Khan Sarji, I will upload. That PySpark examples you can run in Google Colab. I will help you that setup also. Good. Fine. Today, let me start with. So generally, I supposed to cover how to create a AI agents. How to create what, Sarji? AI agents. But if I start directly, you may not understand. But before the behind AI agents, there are some fundamentals you have to be very clear. Project depends upon this discussion only. It's not like a 1-day session, 2-day session. We'll see. Maybe 3 to 4 days it takes actually, including practicals, including in our laptop, we are doing AI agent setup actually. Trust me, the setup itself may make it take minimum 30 minutes actually. The two depends on system. I need to uninstall system configuration, system memory, PyCharm I need to uninstall. We'll see what are things. I need more space here actually. Yeah, let's move on. Good, get ready. Can you tell me what is the topic name? Generative AI? Seems to be we already know this topic, but since it's long, but anyway, let me recall one more time. చాలా రోజుల క్రితం దీన్ని మనం కవర్ చేసాం. Okay, but anyway, let me remind again so that you will get a clarity actually. Good. Daniel, AI diagram. So when you're looking about AI diagram, so this one is artificial intelligence. Are you talking about AI? Then you should know machine learning. The very core important part actually. Without knowing machine learning, you cannot touch the deep learning, right? So AI, machine learning, deep learning. Artificial intelligence is the ability of computer to think, learn, and task. Repeating again. Artificial intelligence is what exactly, sir? It's a kind of some ability. Online time, just give me 1 minute, please. My father is calling. I'm sorry. 1 minute. I am sorry. My father went to medical checkup. That's what I have taken the call. Otherwise, yeah. Okay. Let's move on. Maybe it's the right time. Sir, simple when you're talking about the AI. So here generally, can you read the words actually? What is the first one? Think, learn to do the task. Generally, these things will be done by human. These things will be done by, but if a computer is doing, then backend AI. Let me explain in a reverse way. Sir, who can think? Human can think. Who can learn? Human can learn. Who will do the task? Actually, human will do the task. Generally, think, learn, and to do by human means Daniel, or else we are all actually. But if a computer is doing this one, backend AI installed actually. Backend what is installed? Make a note on this one, right? So AI is a ability of computer to think, learn, and to do the tasks actually. The next one, what is AI? AI is the ability for a computer. Yeah, we already know this one. Yeah, what are all? How it will think, learn, and task? What it will do, sir? Problem solving. We used to do problem solving. Kind of some problems we can solve. We can find the solution. Understanding the language. Who will understand language, sir? Generally, do you think animals? No, humans. Human. The next one, making decision. Today's rain. Either can we go for class or not? That is the decision making, right? Now, but AI having the below topics, right? So problem solving, understanding, making decision. How it is doing because of the below topics. What are those topics? ML, DL, NLP, and computer vision. Because of these are all things actually. ML means machine. Trust me. Simple one word I can say. Group of algorithms. Chapman sir. Simple group of algorithms. That's it. Group of algorithms. Something mentioned. By using above topics, we can do prediction, classification, and sentiment analysis. Very nice. By using above topics, what we can do? Prediction, and we can classify. We can even sentiment analysis by using NLP. AI can enable machines to mimic human. Indirectly, almost all industries they are focusing on. Let us train a computer. A computer can do the task actually, right? So AI is enable machines to mimic, think like a human. Artificial intelligence. What is the short form, Sarji? AI actually. Move on to the next one. When I say AI, only one topic in the backend model. What is that one? Good accuracy, less error. Am I right or not, sir? Good accuracy. Next one, less error. Are you okay? Your faces looks dull gunner. Are you okay, Sarji? Please be active. Actually, just to session ayent varu koncham navvanడి na చూసి. Right? Let's move on. A model is a program. Chapman sir, model is a program actually. AI model is a special program. It's not like a normal one. When I say program, it's not like if else condition. For loop, it's not like that. It's a kind of some special program. This program analyze what it will analyze, sir? Data set to find the pattern. So if you have given the data, that model can capture the pattern means knowledge, and after that it is learning the patterns. It will do what exactly, sir? Making prediction. Very nice. So AI is using what exactly model to do? I mean, so can you talk with me? What is the first one, sir? Think, learn, and will do the task by using what exactly? Model. Backend it is using model actually. Model. Okay. Yeah. Now generative AI. What is the next one? Generative AI. Let me tell you one small point. నేను ఒక చిన్న పాయింట్ చెప్తాను చూడండి. Daniel, when should we use AI and Gen AI? When should we use AI and what exactly, sir? Gen AI. One simple short form I can tell so that you will get an idea. To answer above question, first we need to learn. We need to know what exactly, sir? Problem statement actually. What is that? Chapter. First you should know problem statement. Let me tell you one problem statement. Requirement number one. I just wanted to find Amazon sales. Amazon sales how many? Amazon sales next year how many? Next year what exactly, sir? How many actually? How many? Who will do, answer? AI. Chaptara? AI. When I say AI, especially ML. Gen AI will not do this task actually, right? So wrong answer. What is the wrong answer? Wrong answer will be Gen AI. This one is the right answer. Right answer actually. Gen AI will never do the prediction. Listen carefully. Are you talking about the prediction? AI will do actually. Gen AI target is not to do the prediction. Make a note. This point is important. Okay. The next one. Either you are giving some images. Okay. That image is having cat and what exactly, sir? Dog images. It's a right time to classify. It's a right time to Japan, sir. Classify. Who will do? AI will do. Who will do, sir? I need a response. Who will do? Classify in the sense which one is a dog, which one is a cat. Separating, recognizing, that is nothing but a classify actually AI will do. Daniel, wrong answer. What is the wrong answer? Chaptara Gen AI. Gen AI never do classification. First of all, Gen AI work is not to classify. Gen AI work is not to predict actual. First of all, are you clear? Good. Then let me tell you, then what is Gen AI task? Then what is Gen AI task actually? Then what is Gen AI task? So first let me give one small definition. Gen AI in the sense, chaptara Gen AI. What is the full form, sir? Generative. Okay, generative AI. Make a note, AI means backend models. Backend what exactly? Models actually. Generative AI means what exactly? Generating the new content, sir. Generate new content based on previous content. Based on what content actually? Previous content. I'm repeating again. Generative AI, the main motive will be generate the content. Now hold on. Let us just have to take images actual. Images. Now, if the problem statement is a classification, if the problem statement is what exactly, sir? Classification actually. Classify. Can you tell me AI? But if the problem will be, think like I color, green color, what, Sarji? Chapman, green color. Here above already original image is a black color dog. Black color what exactly, sir? Dog actually. But we need what exactly? Who will do, Ever just or Delsa? AI will not do. AI will not do this task actually. But who will do, Gen AI will do. Gen AI will do. That's what you need to be understand. Will do this task actually. Happily it will do. The main motive will be you give some data. You give some data. Generative AI will use the same data and it will recreate the new data. That's really beautiful. That's what you need to be understand. Meeku ardham sir? Right. So classification is not Gen AI task. What is a Gen AI task? Creating a new data. Generate the new data actually. Okay, hold on. There are some 100 mails. There are some what exactly? 100 reviews. There are some 100 reviews. Okay. Now, suddenly one new review came. What came, Sarji? New review came actually. So this is so called as a sentiment analysis. What analysis? Sentiment analysis will be done by NLP actually. Will not done by Gen AI. Will not done by good. So one rate, sir, 101 reviews. It will create new review if you want actually. It will create what exactly? New review if you want. Best example, olden days, if you wanted to send a mail to the manager, we need to ask to the senior, Anna, it's a manager mail, right? Can you please review? Can you please compile mail actually? But nowadays, the point will be ChatGPT is one of the best example. Nice. Gen AI live model in the sense currently working. Best example is the ChatGPT, sir. No further example. You okay example chalo. ChatGPT is not AI model. It's a Gen AI model. It's a when you're talking about the ChatGPT, what happened in the backend? Sir, it trained with, hold on, 1 minute. మీకు ఒక చిన్న విషయం చెప్తాను చూడండి. Let us take ML. Let's take ML simple linear regression. What regression చెప్తారా? Simple linear regression actually. The data set what I have given, home prices. I'm sorry, Sarji. Home prices.csv file. You can't believe on an average some 10 rows. 10 or 5 rows. That's still okay. How many rows, Sarji? Okay, 5 rows. Very good, sir. You still remember the data set number of rows also. 5 rows. This one is the area. This one is the price. This one is area. This one is the price actually. Can I ask a question? How many rows, man? Very small data. So very small chunk actually. Small chunk. Chunk means a kind of some small data set actually. Data set. But let me tell you, when you're talking about the ChatGPT trained with almost everything over internet actually. Or what exactly, man? Internet. Especially, do you know Wikipedia? Am I right or not, sir? All public data set, all public websites, sir. All public what exactly? Websites actually. Websites. When I say websites, either it can be e-commerce domain, the next one news channel. What exactly, sir? News channel actually. The next one, kind of some, man, let me tell you, millions of books, millions of what exactly? Books. When I say books, actually, it can be PDFs. These are all things actually. PDFs, these are all things. Best example, when you are reading a book, how you can gain the knowledge. Here also, Gen AI, it walk through almost all text related data. Where you can find all text data, Wikipedia. One of the best example. Go to the website. You can just to search for. Do you want to know any specific person, Wikipedia, famous person? Go for Wikipedia. At least you can find some information. Apple company information. Do you want to know? Go for Wikipedia. Sir, make Wikipedia telsa telida. I hope you know actually. Am I right? Like that, it can walk through almost all number of websites actually. Then it gains lot of knowledge. It gains what, Sarji? Lot of. Now, are you asking any question? Now it is using the old data, old knowledge to generate the, kind of some new data actually. New data. Are you with me or not, sir? Okay. Instead of talking more and more, I need to walk through the material. You will get an idea. Gen AI is a type of AI. Yeah, exactly. This one is AI only. But Gen AI is capable of generate the data or new content. Yeah, it's really required. Olden days, no generative Gen AI. Olden days, no Gen AI. Why? Because no big data. But nowadays, more data. Nowadays, what, Saji? More data. Then definitely new models will come actually. Then that's why, though more data, with this data, what we can do? Let us recreate new data. Let us answer for questions. Let us answer for what, Saji? Questions. If you want, I will give one small example. మీకు ఒక చిన్న example ఇస్తాను చూడండి. I still remember initially Idea Mobile. Idea network I used to do actually. What network, Sarji? Idea network. I still remember I used to call to the customer care. I used to call what exactly? Customer care actually for so and so queries. Actually. Queries. Sometimes even I used to call to the customer care to talk in English. You can't believe. English లో మాట్లాడడానికి ఏదో రెండు ముక్కలు మాట్లాడడానికి. Yeah, frankly speaking, అలా కూడా వాడేవాడిని నేను కస్టమర్ కేర్ని. But let me tell you, idea company having company. So olden days idea company having, think like a million of customers, sir. Million of what exactly? Customers actually. Every customer is given the review. Given what exactly, sir? Review actually. Then that is nothing but what exactly, sir? Huge data. చెప్పండి. Huge data actually. Gen AI will analyze all this data, all these what exactly, sir? Huge data, and it will just try to create a, new reviews also. What exactly, sir? New reviews. Okay. One. So we know for loop 10 examples, sir. How many examples actually? 10 examples. Gen AI will take the 10 examples. Take what is that, sir? 10 examples. If you want, it will recreate what exactly, sir? New examples. So then 10 plus what exactly? 5. This 5 generated by chaptara? Generated by Gen AI actually. Gen AI. All right. So when I say data, sir, I covered this one, but a small recap. Am I right? Maybe I covered. Don't feel bored. Why? Because that connectivity is important. Suddenly, I should not start the practicals. That connectivity. Data means text, image, audio, video. Beautiful, sir. It will generate text actually if you want. ChatGPT is a text-based model. ChatGPT is text-based model actually, right? The next one, image actually, DALL-E. So DALL-E or DALL-E. ChatGPT. When you're talking about the OpenAI company, they do have a ChatGPT model. Don't think too much. ChatGPT means think like a pickle file. Think like a, they have deployed in that web application. Then we are communicating with the ChatGPT actually, right? If you're asking, I need a dog image. ChatGPT never generate image actually. ChatGPT will communicate with another model. That model name is called as a DALL-E. And in between ChatGPT and DALL-E model, there is a AI agent. Chaptara? AI agent. You're asking to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT task will be, if it is a text, it will answer. If it is image, it will pass to the next agent actually. Their agents will involve. Who will involve? Do you know LIC agent actually? LIC agent, best example. LIC agent is the mediator in between company and us actually. Here also same. AI agent. Those agents will take the input and it will just try to pass to the next models actually. It will regenerate what exactly, sir? Audio, video, code. Very good. Seriously, very good. Gen AI, generative plus AI. Generative means what exactly, sir? Generate the content. AI means using AI actually. Good. Kind note. Gen AI full form, generative artificial. Exactly. Simple. Generating the text data. Exactly. By using generative AI tool, and we can even generate the text. One of the Gen AI tool is the ChatGPT. ChatGPT. You can't believe, maybe in the year of 2020 or 22, with my, if anybody is asking, can you explain about the AI? I can divide the AI before Gen AI and after Gen AI. Chappan sir, before generative AI, something is different, but after Gen AI, seriously, the whole world changed actually. Whole world. Uh, let me tell you, sir. ఒక చిన్న పాయింట్ చెప్తాను చూడు. ఒక చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్. Let me take one small example. Maybe I'm not sure either I covered or not. So whole AI industry. I can cover this example. Before Gen AI, before what exactly? Gen AI. The next one will be after Gen AI. Before Gen AI, so seems to be kind of some, our task will be, what is the task, Sarji? Prediction. The next one, classification. Chaptara. Next one, classification. The next one, see, one requirement, let me take. The requirement will be, I need a code. I need what, Sarji? Code for scenario, for so scenario actually. AI will say, AI will say, I don't know. What is that one actually? AI don't know. AI knows only prediction and classification. But if you're asking, I need a for loop example, can you give? AI will tell, no, I'm sorry, that is not my task actually. Sir, after, it will tell, no, I don't know. Then let me tell you, there is a one project number one. On an average, 1 year. 1 year is the duration. How long time actually? Here, everything you need to think and you need to write, Sarji. Forget about AI or else what exactly. If it is a normal project, Java code, .NET code, Python code, data science code, any code actually, think like a 1 year. How long time actually, Japan sir? 1 year duration. Think like one e-commerce application. But after Gen AI, what exactly it came, Sarji? Prediction is taken care by AI. Then here another prediction is not required. Classification will be taken care by AI. Conclusion of the story, in AI, there are some limitations. That limitations will be, it cannot generate the data. To overcome that limitation, Gen AI came actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Good. Now here, after Gen AI to AI, if your requirement is asking doing prediction, it will tell ask to AI. Ask to what exactly, sir? Did you remember? Ask to? Sir, that is not my task, prediction. The next one will be classification. What it will answer? Chiptara? Ask to? Yeah. Then if you're asking a question, I need a code for a scenario. What it will do, sir? Tell me the scenario. Tell me what exactly. This is seriously beautiful actually. That boost your way of working. Best example, when you're working in a company, if you don't know the scenario, if your senior is saying, I don't know, you have to work, you are getting salary, alante ela untado telusa, very painful actually. But instead of that, if your senior is saying, don't worry, I'm here, let me know the scenario. Exactly, generative AI is doing the same task actually. Imagine there is a project. Sir, with Gen AI, with what exactly, Sarji? With Gen AI, trust me, 6 months, sir. Within 6 months, we can close. How long time? 6 months. This is not a joke. Sir, 1 year project. Think about company supposed to pay the salaries to the all employees. Time also really matter. That too, you have to wait for, best example, you have to wait for extra 6 months to get a product in your hand actually. You ordered one item in Amazon. Think like you ordered one item in Amazon. Tomorrow is the delivery. This night you may not get sleep also. Am I right? Just real time I'm talking. Think about companies. Just for 1,000 rupees product, you are feeling more anxiety. And tomorrow I'm going to get that too. You can check your mobile. When is the delivery? Either it will be, yeah, exactly, sir. Then think about the companies. 6 months, time reduced actually, cost reduced. These are all seriously awesome. That's what I would like to see. If anybody is asking, explain about AI before Gen AI, after Gen AI, both are different zone actually. Are you with me? Here, time saving, cost saving. This is kind of, time saving. The next one, cost saving, actually, these are all. Okay. No, Sarji. That's what. Are you talking about the prediction? Go for a, that's what. Go for AI actually. Even if ChatGPT is answering, backend it will use ML. Even if ChatGPT is doing prediction, even ChatGPT is doing prediction. Think like if it is doing, what is the backend? Backend is ML actually. How backend it will use AI agents. Simple agents use ante. Recently, I read one article from OpenAI company. OpenAI company having a more than 5 to 6 ideas. More than 5 to 6. One of the ideas is a ChatGPT. Think about other 5 ideas actually. You understand, I guess. They do have a 4 to 5 ideas in AI. Okay, good. I hope regarding the ChatGPT, I no need to talk more and more. You already know. So I need to continue. Good. You can do a lot of tasks, Sarji. You can give a small sentence and you can ask, what I'm asking, write an email to the manager. Very good, Sarji. Write an email to manager. Regarding what exactly? Project details. Regarding project details, you can't believe, it will really compile nice mail actually. Nice mail. Okay. The next one, you're asking extract name, company, email. These are all things I have covered even previously. The next one, generating the images. Generating what, search image? By using GenAI tool, and we can even generate the images. One of the GenAI tool is a DAL E2. DAL what, search? E2 actually. E2. Go back. A statue is listening songs. This is seriously amazing. Maybe I hope you already told these are all. It is one of the software company. What is their aim? What is their aim actually? I'm sorry. Yeah, they created Gen AI models. They created what, Sarji? One of the model. The all models. Do you wanted to see? Models list. Do you wanted to see actually? This is the list, Sarji. ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది all models, right? OpenAI model, GPT, iPhone 0 SS 120B, billion of parameters, sir. We'll talk. Practically, we can talk more and more actually. Here you can find out all models. Here you can find out what, Sarji? All models. Yeah. You're talking about the Chat GPT, right? You're talking about what exactly? Chat GPT. Backend, this model will work actually. Even they have created a kind of some different flavors. Mini model. Recently, Google also created one model. Did you know that? Nano banana. Am I right? Nano banana. Maybe I already told. Sir, after OpenAI, they have released ChatGPT. Google AI got a favor actually. Why? Because slowly by slowly, people are not using Google. People are not using their product. They are not using, sir. That is not a joke. That is not a joke. They are losing the customers. That's why they bought in between their, like a ChatGPT products actually. ChatGPT products. Are you clear? But still, let me tell you, first product always hits the market actually. After WhatsApp came, Telegram came. Trust me, I didn't install till now. But I'm not sure this one also works in the same way. నేను విన్నాను టెలిగ్రామ్ కూడా అలాగే వర్క్ అవుద్దని. Am I right or not, sir? After ChatGPT came, see, the best idea is always unique. If you cannot replicate the same, actually, if you replicate the same, people won't care at all. People will think ChatGPT would have right. Why other models actually? మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? ఈవెన్ డీప్ సీక్ కేమ్. వాట్ కేమ్? Just a 1 month boom like anything actually. After that, again, people is ChatGPT only. ChatGPT. Okay. The problem with DeepSeek, people are not. That is from which country? అంత నమ్మకం లేదు డీప్ సీక్ మీద. బట్ దట్ వర్క్స్ వెరీ వెల్ సార్. మీకు తెలియదు కానీ అది మంచిగా వర్కౌట్ అవుతుంది. ఓల్సీ దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ మోడల్స్. These are all models. How to use live model also, right? I can download one model, and there is one OpenAI API key, and by using that, we are going to use actually. I will tell you all steps. I will cover step by step, Sarji. Step by step. Seriously, Olama, Hugging Face, LLM, LM Studio. Super. We are going to see more and more. Dolly, this is the one of the OpenAI tools, Sergi. So generate the video. By using generative AI tools, we can generate the images. One of the Gen AI tool is what exactly? These are all. You can give one prompt, you can give one small message, and based on that message, it will create a video. It will create what, Sergi? Videos actually. Make a note on this. This one is a Gen AI diagram. Chapter first one. Yeah, the next one, ML, next one, DL, next one, Gen AI. So these are all things you need to be understand. Generative AI is generating. What are all it is generating, sir? Text. Next one, images, video, code, music. Move on to the text. Creating a realistic text like a new articles, blog, post. Many platforms are using like this actually. Generating the content for websites and social media. And olden days, best example, I'm a blogger in the sense I do have my own website. To create a one material, you can't believe, I used to spend on an average 2 to 3 hours time. I used to take one topic for one day and let me create the content. That content I need to analyze, then I need to concise. I like almost short notes actually. For this one I want like paragraphs. I used to create a bulletin points actually. But nowadays I'm using ChatGPT. I'm not copy pasting whatever it is giving actually. I will analyze again. There are words which is not mismatching actually. That words I can analyze. I can make it always concise actually. Nowadays, olden days 1 hour, but nowadays max to maximum 10 to 15 minutes, sir. If you give one topic, give me ChatGPT, 10 to 15 minutes. I will bring good content actually. Are you with me or not? Okay. See, many platforms are using many platforms. Seriously, very good. Generating the content for websites and social media, creating the personalized marketing. What exactly, sir? Material. Almost all companies are using. But this is the important point you should aware. Once you join in a company will not give access to connect with the ChatGPT. Company. If it is a startup company, they will give access. If it is a top MNC company, they will not give actually. Recently, what happened? One of our student, his name is a Sumant. Sumant actually. He's a student in the year of 2021. 2021 lo, he's our student. He already joined in company. First company is HCL. Recently he joined another company. I didn't remember. What happened, sir? In his laptop, this is really wondering. In his laptop, he got an access. He got what exactly? Access to connect with ChatGPT. To connect with what exactly? ChatGPT. Then he need to give one small presentation, PPT. And regarding the project, regarding what exactly? Project. The same details he is searching over what exactly? Chaptara sir? ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Now it finally, so it is asking, can we download? Can I download? Can I download what exactly? Do you want to download PPT kind of thing actually? He downloaded. Download source point will be the ChatGPT. What is the source point, Sarji? ChatGPT. Immediately he got a mail. Immediately he got a mail actually. That mail indicates to. So we noticed that, we observed, because backend there are kind of some checks are there. Are you downloading any content from any other websites actually? We noticed that you downloaded so and so content actually. Please give me the explanation. So what you done actually? Are you with me or not, sir? Then later that company he joined newly. The admin he forget to block the chat GPT. Admin takes care about blocking the chat GPT, Amazon, kind of some ETV news, YouTube. These are all things actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Okay. Companies will not allow. Maheshwari garu, another 1 week sessions. Another 1 week. You can consider 1 week actually. Okay, let's continue. Daniel, if company is not allowing the chat GPT, then how you're working? Yeah, I have office laptop in left hand actually, right hand side. I guess actually, right? Yeah, yeah. Sorry. The next one, images. Creating a realistic images of people. This is beautiful, Sergi. Uh, Why images? Think about videos also, which is unrealistic. We never thought that is. If especially you're talking about the village kind of people, actually, they thought like that is a real video. They thought like that is what, Sergi? But that is a AI generated video. Nowadays, if I am watching any kind of some small shorts, first of all, I'm checking the comments. I'm checking. Why? Exactly. Okay, creating a realistic image, people, you can walk through this role. Next one, creating a videos that do not existing in the world. Best example in space. I wanted to have a coffee. Yeah, you can create a video, which is highly impossible. అసలు స్పేస్ నుంచి ఆ స్పేస్ షిప్ నుంచి మనం బయటకు వస్తే ఎలా ఉంటుందో తెలుసా? No, no, no. Can't imagine actually. Many platforms are using these are all things. Can you tell me what is the first one? Text it is generating. Next one, images it is generating. Next one, video. Can I tell you why text it is generating? Because in this world, more text data. That's what generative AI already trained with the all text data. It is regenerating the new text actually. Why it is creating images? It is having more data about the images actually. More and more images. The next one, more and more videos also. More and more what Sarji? Videos also. Okay. The next one, code. This is seriously awesome. In a olden days, if I'm looking for any new example, I need to search in Stack Overflow. I like Stack Overflow. I need to spend a lot of time. Then I need to search in GitHub also, GitHub repo, one of the tool. By using that, we can store all your code actually. But nowadays, ChatGPT is the best search. ChatGPT is the best. Generating code means not a joke, sir. How to write a for loop? We need to think. This is the for loop. This is the in actually. One small point. ChatGPT by default it considers the syntax actually. You know what? Syntax. It will give the code directly. It will give code what Sarji? Directly actually. You should not ask how to write a for loop actually. I mean, మీరు చాట్ జీపీటీని ఏదైనా కోడ్ అడిగేటప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ యూ షుడ్ బి స్ట్రాంగ్ ఇన్ సింటాక్స్. యూ షుడ్ బి స్ట్రాంగ్ ఇన్. ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ నాట్ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఇన్ సింటాక్స్ వాట్ యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్? మీకు అర్థం కాదు. GenAI models generate the code for different programming languages. Different, sir. Java, C, C++, anything. Anything actually. This can be helpful to what exactly, sir? Programmers, developers. Seriously amazing. Next one is the music. Sarji, generative AI models can be used to create a new musics. Many platforms are using like it is touching almost all domain. Every domain it is touching, Sarji. Just now I have given one example. This one is a, can you tell me classify? What it is, sir? Any idea? Cat. What is output actually? Cat. A machine learning algorithm will do this classification. ML algorithms also having another word, discriminative technique. Discriminative models also you can say. You can also call it a traditional model. Traditional model, but GenAI techniques, what it will do, sir? Is it cat actually? Okay. So this is the image, right? Do you need one more image like a cat is jumping? Cat is what, Sarji? Jumping. It is recreate actually. Are you with me? Yeah, it will apply colors, many things it will do. Okay. Now it's a right time you need to be understand. Very simple use cases of GenAI. Sir, everywhere. Blocks they are using, content creation. This is the one of the important point. Without content creation, there is not even single domain. In academic, you're writing a what exactly, sir? Projects actually. Project what exactly? Project manuals important. Content creation is really important. For companies, they need some documentation. Content creation is requirement. Every company, best example to start Naresh IT, definitely content creation is required actually. It is helping a lot. Blogs, reports, emails, social media. Sir, number is endless. Many things actually. This content helpful to business. What exactly, sir? Marketing. This content creation, it is helping to business for the marketing actually. Personalized marketing also. Very good. So personalized marketing. Generative AI can be create a personal marketing, emails, landing pages, social media post actually. You can't believe olden days, people used to struggle for YouTube, how to create a land page, how to create a thumbnail. These are all things actually. But GenAI is doing like anything nowadays. This content will be helpful to to reach the target audience more effectively and increase conversation. What exactly, sir? Right, conversion actually. Customer service. GenAI can be used to create chatbot. This is good, Sarji. Maybe I already covered one scenario, but let me cover one scenario actually. Customer service. One day, I ordered one item. Ordered one headset in Amazon. After one day, I got the product. I got product actually. Started using. After 24 hours, I have observed. It's defect. It's defect to product actually. Product having some damage. Defect. In online, there is one advantage. What is that? Good, good. So the advantage will be you can return or you can replace. Am I right? You can return or what exactly, sir? You can replace, and if you want, you can get refund. Get what exactly? Refund. Option is for you only. Option is for you, right? Now here is a story. Sir, olden days, what is the pattern, Olden days, you can't believe, manually, we need to call to the customer care. Manually, we need to call to customer care, and they will ask us some steps actually. Upload images, they will ask. Upload what exactly, sir? Images. Then they will validate. Listen carefully. After you have uploaded images, is there any defective or else not working? Tell me the reason. What happened? How many hours when you taken these other products? They will ask actually. It will validate. If it is right, I mean to say that if validation, if it is right, right, then they will proceed for the. They will what exactly, sir? Proceed for a refund, or these are all things actually. You can't believe, manual in the sense here a human will talk with you actually. But nowadays what happened, sir? AI agent actually. AI agent, this works like a chatbot. This works like a, you can just have to tell what is your problem. What is your problem? So I have explained about my problem actually. I have explained about my problem. Here AI agent will analyze what you are explaining. Will analyze what you are explaining. It will give some option. Sir, it's okay, I understand. Option number one, do you want refund? So do you want kind of some replace actually? Option number two, do you want kind of some replace? See, let me tell you, it is taking the decision. That is seriously awesome. Fine. It will ask, share some images. Share what exactly, sir? Some images actually. Backend, it will apply CV. Why? Images, it's supposed to analyze actually. Where really something went wrong. It will analyze. Then it will take the decision. Decision for what, Sarji? You can proceed. You can just have to please wait actually. I have uploaded all your images. You have to wait for 24 hours for the refund actually. Did you understand or not, sir? That is called as a like this. All customer service jobs are done actually with AI agent. With what exactly? Recently I heard HR jobs also. What jobs, man? I'm not sure either you know this point or not actually. Here onwards, telephonic interview will be called by AI agent. Whom actually? AI agents call చేస్తాను విన్నాను. ఒక కంపెనీ ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్ట్ చేసింది. One company already started actually. Yeah, yeah. Kindly please. See. Free human customer service. Tell me, free human customer service actually. Customer service. But I have one question for you. Can you tell me what it is? Sometimes AI chatbot will do the mistakes also. Then definitely backend one AI engineer will monitor what it is doing actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? So the point is, in a olden days, they used to recruit almost a customer care. Customer what exactly care? You can't believe, for every company minimum 100 employees required. How many employees? 100 employees actually. But here, if one chatbot, one chatbot actually, you can install in a multiple places. Backend is AI engineer. Backend is what, Sarji? AI engineer. That guy, that AI engineer will monitor how it is working actually, and he will always check either it is doing right task or wrong task actually. Are you clear? Where AI product, definitely AI team is required. Otherwise, gone case actually. AI, best example, ChatGPT. Did you notice actually? I may do the mistakes. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారా? I may do the, yeah, definitely backend AI engineer is required. It will validate actual. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Okay, hold on. ChatGPT directly it will tell, So don't believe 100%. Risk management, kind of some documents required, fraud, fraud checking and cyber attacks, supply chain disruption. Supply chain disruption is seriously important, sir. Supply chain, this is the big domain. Best example, let us take a Samsung company. Suddenly, because of the good hype and the stocks down, think like, do you know stock marketing? All you guys youngsters, let me give one small suggestion. Just per day, 30 minutes or 15 minutes, learn stock marketing. Learn what, Sarji? Seriously, very good business. You can't believe. Do you have 100 rupees in your pocket actually? You can invest in stocks. You can invest in what, Sarji? Don't go with lakhs. 100 rupees, 200 rupees. Yeah, that is the best practice. You will come to know how the flow. Trust me, that is a AI application. What application? AI application actually. Me తెలుసా సార్ stocks అంటే? I'm sorry, I may not give the classes. You can try. You can try to learn actually. Yeah, stocks how it is working. Seriously, very good, sir. Per day, I used to get minimum 1000 to 1500 from the stocks. I invested some amount, just some buffer, around 70K I have invested actually. I used to check daily how much I'm getting actually. But to learn that one for me, taken around some 2 months time. How long time? I understand how the flow it will be. I never dare. See, I never dare to invest crores actually. That is not my role. That is not my role. My role is a different. But learn stocks, that literally it will be helpful for you. మీకు అర్థమైంది లేదా సార్? Just a per day spend some 15 minutes, learn how it is working. Then slowly by slowly you can start actually. Can I continue? Yeah. I know you guys are might be feeling boring, but kindly please wait for this week. Once let me finish AI agent actually, then we can close the discussion. Move on, software development. After ChatGPT came, software development really huge impact actually. So generating the new code, generating what, Sajji? If it is creating existing code, what is the new? It is creating the new code. Provide codes, code snippets, and even write simple software. Seriously awesome. Potentially saving time and yeah, this is seriously awesome, sir. Potentially saving time and reducing the errors. In addition, it also helps to document code, refactor, generate the test cases. Many more, Sarchi. Data augmentation. Somewhere I covered. Computer vision. Did you remember? Creating a new data from existing data. The next one, domain. Man, financial domain, healthcare domain, manufacturing, retail. These are all domains it is using actually. Good, let me tell you. Financial domain, decision making. Best example, either can I give a loan or not? Not only ML actually. Backend kind of some generating the content is really important. Okay, we can give the loan. On what basis reason? On what reason we can give actually? Look at the previously his debits and credits. Okay. Decision making, risk and model assessment. Imagine if you are giving the loan to the so-and-so company, what is the risk? How much risk factor actually? Development of new financial products and services. Really very good. Customer operations to enhance services. These are all, resolution. Imagine any customer having any issue. Definitely there is a solution is required, which is so-called as a resolution actually. For each client based on transaction and history. Financial organization they are using Surgery. Best example, RBI. Daily it will use. Daily it will use actual. In your account per day, is there any transactions more than 1 lakh actually? Your transactions will, your name will be go to the next stack. Oh, this person is doing more transaction. Backend is analyzing by AI. Backend is analyzing by what, Sajji? These persons are getting per day more than 1 lakh, more than 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, something like that actually. Then RBI will, they do have a product. They will automatically send a mail actually. You are getting more than 1 lakh per day. Let me know. You have to pay the tax. You have to pay what, Sajji? Tax actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా? Okay. Healthcare domain. New drugs and treatments. Maybe 1 month back I already told. So there was one disease. Doctors are trying to finding years and years to find out the solution. Recently, Gen AI, it is able to find. So mixing 2 to 3 drugs actually, it is able to find the medicine. Healthcare domain, it is impacting. Design medical devices. Very good. So creating a personalized patient treatment plans actually. This is awesome, Sarji. Olden days, kind of some family doctor, but nowadays, AI agent is suggesting actually. You have to provide all your health information. They will just attach one small device. From that device, it will capture the data. Then from there, cinema will start actually. Sir, for you, morning walking is required, evening walking is required. You have to take these pills at right time. Food plans actually, these are all. You guys kindly please walk through manufacturing, design new products, optimizing manufacturing process, retail and customer packaged goods actually. Amazon is using like anything, Sergey. Retail and customer packaged goods actually. Personally, might be recently you have seen video. Olden days, people used to deliver the products. But in USA, there are some areas, not in every area, robots are delivering. Robots are, if robo is delivering the product, again robo is generating the data. Robo is generating. Yeah, exactly. Robo, what are locations it is traveling? Right location or wrong location? Robo is live or either it is fall down. Am I right or not, sir? Everywhere again here also data generation. Recommending the products, manage inventory, accelerate customer research actually, enhance the supply. Marketing sales. You guys need to walk through this total theory. I'm sorry. This is about the journey introduction. I can quickly walk through the next one also. I'm sorry. This is about the simple journey introduction. I can quickly walk through. Gen A models. You have to be aware about this. Okay. Good. Let me tell you, sir. Let me tell you. Can you tell me ML models? ML models చెప్తారా? Now, okay. Just a few models. Simple linear regression. The next one, multiple linear regression. Third one, let us take a decision tree. Like in machine learning, how would you have a models? In journey also, would you have a models? Would you have what exactly, sir? I'm sorry, sir. We have a models actually. Those models, let us. కొన్ని models ని చూద్దాం చూడండి. Journey also having the models. Sir, by this time, no matter what, you should know how to train a model. I'm sorry, how to build a model. How to build a model. When I say build, how to create a model, you should know. After building, what is the next one? After creating model training, you should know. The next one, prediction. If you know these three steps, actually, any model you can understand. Suddenly, if I say GPT model, suddenly, if I say what model actually? GPT model actually. First, model creation, no doubt in that. The next one, chapter model training. Model training with data. With what exactly, sir? When I say data, input and what exactly? Output. Then it will do what exactly? Though it is a Gen A models, right? Though it is what exactly, sir? Gen A models. Gen A model kada. అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ప్రిడిక్షన్ రాదు ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుందో తెలుసా generating the data. Generating what, Sarji? That's what you need to be understand. Are you clear, sir? Though you're talking about the Gen A model, third step is not prediction. Third step is I understand the data. Now, do you want any new image actually? New data I can generate. That is so called as a generating the data. What is that? Trust me, backend is a model. When I say model, you done scratch actually from the scratch. That's what I'm telling you. If you're very good in ML, you can understand any model. Just try to map like that only. Don't think too much. They created a OpenAI company, they created a GPT model. They're trained with the data. Then they're generating. They're generating the data actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? ఓకే. Oh, this definition we already know. So generative AI is capable of generate the data or new content actually. Good, good. Gen A models. Not all models, at least you should know some model names. Some model names, not all model. Ah, can you tell me Chat GPT, right? Chat what, Sarji? Chat GPT. Chat GPT. The last three letters, can you read it out actually? GPT. GPT. Olden days, chat bot is different, chat GPT is different actually. Chat GPT model. Chat bot means what exactly? Instruction based. Like a if else condition. What condition? It never think like a human. Go back to the IRCTC. I hope you already know IRCTC. You can ask train related info. But if you're asking, I'm hungry, what I need to, in the sense, it will say, sorry, unable to answer your question. Okay. Yeah. GPT, generative pre-trained transformer. This is the backbone, sir. Backbone actually transformer. We'll see. Next one, Llama 2, Claude, Gemini, Gemini. Gemini from Google company. Palm 2, DALL-E. These are all different modes. Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, Code Whisper, Code Llama, Codex. Do I need to remember all? No. At least I can remember minimum five. Minimum five actually. Let me cover a few. GPT. This explanation is something like, if anybody is asking explain about the simple linear regression, during interview definitely somebody will ask explain about GPT. Explain about, like, model explanation we need to give actually. How the model is working. GPT is a large language model. GPT is large language model, sir. Okay, hold on. First of all, I would like to tell one thing. GPT. Text based model. Chappan sir? Text based. What do you mean by text based? Generating the text. I need a response. What is that? Generating the text actual. Okay, good. When you are talking about the, okay, hold on. GPT is a large language model. This is seriously amazing, sir. Chadutaridi, GPT is large language model. Okay. What is model? What is small language? Oh, okay. What is language model? The next one, what is small language model? The next one, what is your learning should start from like that. అక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి. అప్పుడు మీకు ఒక క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ వన్, కెన్ యూ టెల్ మీ? మోడల్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, లాంగ్వేజ్ మోడల్. ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్, స్మాల్ లాంగ్వేజ్ మోడల్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, large language model actually. Let me start from model. Simple, it is a program or algorithm. That too, this algorithm designed to understand human communication. To understand, that is called as a language model. Let me tell you, I'm speaking English, Sarji. Then you guys are able to understand. This model is not designed to do the prediction for Amazon sales. GPT is not prediction for Amazon sales. GPT is not to do some other classification actually. Not for clustering. Not for what, Sarji? Clustering. It is the model to understand the human language. That is seriously awesome. To understand. Best example, I know only two languages. Telugu, English, that's it. Hindi I'm trying, but I don't know. ఇంకా రావట్లేదు నాకు. మై డ్రీమ్, ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు ఒక సెషన్ అన్న హిందీలో చెప్పాలని ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను కానీ రావట్లేదు. బట్ let me talk about the language model in the sense, the model trained with almost all languages actually. Simple, seriously amazing. The next one, what is the next one? Small language means, sir, here remember this word. ఈ వర్డ్ గుర్తుంచుకోండి. స్మాల్ ఆర్ లార్జ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు, దీని గురించి తర్వాత మాట్లాడదాం. స్మాల్ ఆర్ లార్జ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు, విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు పారామీటర్స్. చెప్పండి సార్. Can you repeat one more? What is this? If the model trained with small number of parameters, that is called as language model. But if it is billion parameter, that's what GPT-B. Did you notice? This GPT